Alrighty, hello, me again. Just want to go through a few things. The main thing is I want to show you how I turn my losing trades into profit. Okay, because I'm always in drawdown. Okay, every trade I'm in drawdown pretty much, and I want to show you how if you go into drawdown, don't freak out. Going into drawdown is a great opportunity to make big profits. Okay, it's just how you handle it. All right, don't freak out. You can't get all emotional and whatnot because start panicking and start changing your trades halfway through and all that kind of thing. You can't do that. Otherwise, it just goes to a mess, and then you just end up getting confused and frustrated, and that's it. So, no emotion. Don't show no emotion. Trading emotionless. Okay. Yeah, so when you're in drawdown, it's a great opportunity to make some big profit. Or most of my big profits just come from me being in big drawdown. Bigger the drawdown, the bigger the profit. That's the way I look at it. Anyway, so let's have a look at a couple of things here. What are we looking at first? Okay, here we have the Aussie, the pound Aussie. Okay, so Aussie's been really bad to me lately, and I'm not. It's been pretty savage to me actually over the last couple of weeks. Yeah, I know I'm wearing a hat inside. It's because I need a haircut. My hair's shit. Okay, so anyway, it doesn't matter. Yeah, let's have a look at it. So I got into this one up here. I had a trade up here. I got in here. Okay, because back here there's some really good support resistance. I thought it was just going to come down and hit there, then bounce off and go back up, but no. Got all these big red candles, man. Boom, 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 boom. So I come down to the next support resistance zone. I didn't hedge this one, I should have. But this, I'm going to, from now on, that's all I'm going to do. I'll explain that in the next one, on my next trade. Alright, so I got into that. It comes straight down. Okay, I closed this trade. Okay, oh no, yeah. I put another buy in here, sorry. Okay, put another buy in here, and it went straight through that, and then come down here, and then I put another buy in down here somewhere. Okay, I'm not sure where, it doesn't matter where. Okay, so this come down, went straight through that one, come down here, and it went straight through this support resistance zone back here, there's support resistance. Okay, and I come back down, and then I thought, I closed it. I thought it was going to come down even further because it had these big red candles all just flowing like a bloody waterfall down there. Then I thought it was going to just consolidate for a bit and then fall, then continue back down. Okay, and so I closed it. I closed this position because it was in pretty big drawdown. Okay, it was pretty big drawdown. So I closed this position. Just because I closed this position doesn't mean I've taken the loss. Okay, I want that money back. All right, I'm not writing it off. So what I should have done, to be honest with you. Anyway, so I come back down, and then it started to come back up. So I was like, yeah, beauty, okay, good stuff. What I should have done was when it come up here and got this big green candle that went through this, I should have added another buy onto that. I should have doubled that lot size of that buy order. Okay, and then that would have well and truly mitigated this. Would have killed it. Alright, but it's alright, it doesn't matter, because if it goes up, if it's the Aussie dollar, probably go down and bankrupt me. I don't know, who knows. It's only got to go up to here to my take profit. But if it goes up, this one here, this trade here will cancel out this one to pretty much break even. Okay, and then this one will be take the profit. Okay, so this one will cancel that loss, and this one will be the take profit. Okay, so like even though I was wrong, what, 1-2 times there, I'll still get a break even and take profit. Okay. Okay, the next one, AUD-CHF. Okay, now this is how you make some good money out of this one. Okay, so I got in down here somewhere. I can't remember where. There somewhere. And it went against me, but what I done, I started hedging this one. I'm going to get a lot more aggressive with my hedging. Okay, instead of putting a stop loss like wherever, like above that, I put a buy order. These are sell orders. And I hedged it up to the next support resistance zone. Okay, and then it went through that. I took the profit. Okay, and then I hedged that up to the next support resistance zone. Then it went through that. And I hedged that up to the next support resistance zone. Okay, yes, I'm still in drawdown, I know. But just mitigates the loss a bit. Okay. So I was wrong 1, 2, 3 trades I got wrong. Okay, and so I put a sell order in here. Let's put this over here so we can see. Okay, and then I got into this one, was another one. Okay, that was wrong as well. Okay, then this one up here, I thought there was really good support resistance. And then I put another order. Okay, I've seen this big red candle coming down, and it broke past that one. And I went, okay, it's gonna go down now. So I put another sell order in. Okay, so I pretty much just doubled the size of the lot order of this one. Okay, so I doubled the size of that, and she come down, come up, retest, and fell away, which is good. I've got my take profit down here. Okay, so hopefully if all goes to plan, and now it looks like it's bouncing off that, it's just got to come down, even probably round about where it is now. I could probably get out of all these sell orders at break even and just take the profits from these hedges. Okay, or if you're going to be like me and just roll the dice a little bit, I think I might come down a bit further. Okay, and then hit my take profit there. That'd be a good win if that happens. But if you're ballsy enough, if I get like nice big red candles thumping on down, well, I might move these take profits down to here. And then out of 4 trades, I was wrong on 3 of them. I was wrong on this one, wrong on that one, wrong on this one. That's 3 trades out of 4 I was wrong. Okay, and if it comes down to there, I've taken profit once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, this would be break even. Okay, so out of 4 trades, I was wrong 3 times, but I've taken profit 7 times. Okay, you see where I'm going with this? All right, that's how I do it. Bigger the drawdown, the bigger the profit is how I think about it, because it's gonna turn around. It can't go up or down forever. You just got to make your lot sizes not too big, proportionate to your balance. So if you get into like 4 or 5 orders and it's still going against you, and you want to go 6, 7, 8 orders, okay, you don't get wiped out. Okay, you don't get wiped out, because if you put your lot sizes too big and you've got to put in, if it goes against you like 4 or 5 orders, you're going to get wiped out. Okay, so just keep your lot sizes proportionate. Okay, so you can get into about 10, 15 bloody orders before it reverses. Okay, because it's always going to turn around. It can't go up forever. All right, it can go up for a long time, but if you're proportionate your order sizes, you can just keep following up until it turns around and comes back down. Okay, because all it does is go up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay? And it can't go up and it can't go down forever. You just got to be patient. All right? That's all there is. So hopefully if this comes down, hopefully, don't know, it's the Australian dollar, it likes to torment me. So we'll see what happens to this one next week. But hopefully that'll work out. So I was wrong 1, 2, 3 times. I was wrong 3 out of 4 trades. And I'll hopefully take profit 7 times. Okay, so this is going to be awesome. If that works out like that, that would be, wow, that'd be a great profit. And this one's a pretty stock standard. I should have hedged this down. If I hedged this, see, if I got into the hedge there, then hedge that down to there, take the profit from that hedge. It would have hedged that one down to there, taken the profit from that hedge. Okay, then if it comes all the way back up to here, all right, then I would have profit 1, 2, okay, 3. Then I'd have 3 times, three taken profit 3 times, okay, out of these 2 trades, and it would have been wrong in 2 trades. This trade would have been wrong, this trade would have been wrong, okay, but I would have taken profit 3 times. So I'm taking more profit than what I'm losing. That's all you got to do, is just make a bit more than you lose. Okay, so that's how I do it. Just got to find something that works for you, and then you just got to stick to it and stick to the plan. Okay, just stay with the plan, and it usually works out. The hardest part of trading is when you first start, and then you just got to find what works for you, because it's just overwhelming at the beginning, isn't it? It's just too much. It took me about 2 years, 3 years, say 3 years, okay, to work it all out, because when I first started hedging, and it was just blowing my mind, I was just getting confused out of my head, it's just going, But what I found, just keep it basic, keep it simple. Okay, you see what I do there? I make profit from losing, but I'm not into all these like Fibonacci's and retracement candles and engulfing candles and fucking fair value gaps, and don't worry about that shit. Don't worry about that shit. It's either going to go up, it's going to go down. Okay, just go support, resistance, DCA, hedge, and you can't go wrong. Okay. You always got to have a plan though. Before you even place a trade, you should be looking at how you're going to manage the risk. Okay, are you going to put a stop loss? Are you going to DCA? Where are you going to DCA in? Okay, are you going to hedge? Where are you going to hedge to? Where is the next support resistance zone that you think you can take the profit from the hedge and then put another order? You know what I mean? You got to have a plan. You can't just place the order, then make it up as the trade's going along. Okay, so you have to go, okay, I'm going to put this trade here, and if it does this, I'm going to do, if it does A, I'm going to do B. If it does C, I'm going to do D. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. If it goes against me, blah blah blah, I'm going to do this, and if it goes with me, okay, where am I going to take the profit? Blah. Okay, so you always got to have a plan whenever you place a trade. You should know exactly what you're going to do if it goes against you or if it goes in your favor. All right, and yeah, that's it. All right then. Thank you very much. Peace out. Bye.